And here's the final video in the series of the laser engraved earring. It's tutorial 6, and in this tutorial we are going to work with a PDF file we saved in the last tutorial and bring it into the laser software and set it up for engraving. So without further ado, the first thing you want to do is go find the file you saved. So I have it here in File Explorer under my courses, under jewelry, under that, and I think I called it Laser Ready Earring. So on your computers, it's really important that you don't double click this. If you double click it, it will open the file in your browser. And you don't want that. You want to force it to open with a proper program. So we're going to right click on it, and you're going to choose the program that it opens with. Open with Adobe Reader. That's what you want. Adobe Acrobat Reader. And it should come up and look like this. Whoa, sorry. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I forgot to tell you this, and I'll tell you now. It will print, when we save our PDF, it will print whatever's on our page. So I think I only wanted to do one earring, so let's just get rid of these ones and move them off the page. And I'll just quickly file, save a copy, and we'll just go to PDF. There we go. And we're going to call it Dolphin Ready 2. That was a good thing to save. And push OK. Now I'll jump back to it, and there should be a Dolphin Ready 2 here. Right click, open with Adobe Reader. There we go. So now I just have the one. Now, if you want two earrings, you only really, and they're match set, you only need the one because you'll just do it twice when we get to the laser. So this is good enough for us. Get rid of that one. There we go. Okay, what do you do once you're in this Adobe Reader? Well, you hit print, little print icon there, and you choose, mine's already chosen, but you want to choose the VLS, the VersaLaser 460, this thing. And then you're going to go actual size and landscape, and it should look kind of like this. And then hit print. When you do that, down here on your system tray is the Universal Laser System Control Panel red box. If you don't have the red box, you're going to have to type in your search bar UCP, and then you can start it right there. But I have the red box, so I'll click on it, and you can see my earring is in here. And don't worry if it doesn't look great, it's not supposed to. This is a low resolution sort of viewing of it. So there it is. And now what's the next step? Well, the next step is to do my settings. So here's my settings. Now, the settings can vary based on the material chosen, the color and whatnot, but in general, we've got some settings that we can use. And I'll just jump back to Inkscape for a second because I threw them on the screen here. There we go. So when I say 40, 100, 500, what that means is, that's my settings, when I'm in my UCP and I'm in the manual tab, not this tab that we've used before, but this manual tab, on the black, which is my image, so if I go back for a second, see how it's all black? So I'll go back into my settings. In the manual tab, for the black color, those are the numbers I want, 40, 100, 500. And actually, you know what? If you're working with the blue color that we have, I've found that the power I have to almost boost to 100% to get it to completely go away. You might actually just work with this at about 70 to start with on the other colors. So we'll go 70, 100, 500. If you find that it's not removing completely the material that you need to remove, you can slow this, like obviously you can boost the power a little bit here, but you can also slow the engraving down so it takes longer and sits around and burns a little longer. So the little tweaks that can be done. It's only about 1.5 minutes per earring, so if you produce one, it's not quite right, make your settings changes, and then do another one. Okay, so once these are set the way you want them, you hit set, and you'll see it changed it, 70, 100, 500, so that's what the set button did, and then just push OK. And now you're ready to engrave this. All you have to do is put your material in the laser, don't forget to focus the laser to the surface, and then make sure the image is on the actual piece of material, so you might have to do some relocating where you can move the image around, and also using the focus tool. You can position the laser on the center of your piece of your material, and then you could use your relocate to activate this box and say go to the pointer. I'm not hooked to the laser right now, so mine doesn't say that. If you do that, the blue box will go to wherever your little laser indicator pointer is, the red dot in the laser. And what else can I tell you? Oh, don't forget to turn the air and the fume extraction on. Other than that, should work out. Good luck.